Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can uninstall application on Android mobile phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my Android mobile phone and here I'm going to show you three methods we can try to uninstall application on Android mobile phone. The first method I'm going to show you is uninstalling application from our app screen on our Android mobile phone. You just need to go to your app screen and then you can select the application you want to uninstall. This is the easiest method to uninstall application from our Android mobile phone. Here you can choose the application you want to uninstall. And for example, I'm going to uninstall my Spotify application. We just need to tap and hold on the Spotify application and then we just need to click on uninstall. And after that, the application will be uninstalled from our Android mobile phone. Okay, and the second method, you can go to your setting and then you can go to the app setting or the apps menu on your main setting right here. You can scroll down until you find this app setting and choose the application you want to uninstall. Let's say I'm going to uninstall my CapCut application. We can click on the CapCut and then simply click on uninstall. And after that, the CapCut application will be uninstalled. Okay, and the third method I'm going to show you is uninstalling application using our Play Store. So we can open up our Play Store and then go to the app manager. You can click on this profile icon on the top right corner and then you're going to select the manage apps and device. Okay, and select the manage option. And here you will be able to get all these applications you have installed on your Android mobile phone. And if you want to uninstall, you just need to select the application like this. And here you'll be able to choose more than one application. So you can uninstall multiple applications at once. Okay, you can also select all your applications if you want like this. But I'm just going to select multiple. And once you're done selecting the application, you can click on this icon and the application will be removed from your Android mobile phone. But here I'm not gonna uninstall my application guys, so I'm just going to go back. Oops, sorry. And you can also see uninstalled application on your Android mobile phone. If you want to see uninstalled application, you just need to go to this option and select the not installed. And here you will be able to see all the uninstalled application on your Android mobile phone. It will be really helpful if you want to reinstall the application you have uninstalled. Okay guys, and that's how we can uninstall application on Android mobile phone with three methods. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.